I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. Alright, now I got to see these a few weeks ago in Oklahoma City. Shout out to my homeboy Tusi. He picked these up at Champ Sports earlier than the release date, so he picked them up. I got to see them in hand, take a look at them. I knew when I saw them that I was going to want them. I couldn't pick them up in Champs because they didn't have my size 14, so I had to wait. But here we are. Uh-oh, let me not show you my address. Boom. Alright, Nike box, Nike tape. We're all familiar with that. Alright, let me go ahead and boom, pull out the shank. Let's go ahead and get into these, man. Boom. Tape going there. And boom. Alright, throw the shank to the side. Get this open. Whew. I opened it from the wrong side. Well, let's go ahead and take that out of there. Toss the box. But you all know, Big Roth, proud member, even though I'm wearing this shirt, proud member of the Lebron gang. Alright, so as you can see, this is the LeBron James 18 box, as you all can see there. The 2020-2021 season, Just Do It, BBZ 330. Boom, LeBron logo there. Boom. And these are the LeBron 18. Colorway is black metallic gold, size 14, of course. Boom. Retail on these bad boys was $200. I was actually able to get them for a discount under retail, baby. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into these, man. Whew. Yes, sir. Of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yeah. The LeBron 18 and that black and purple and gold. The Lake Show. The Lakers colorway. Yes, sir. We saw LeBron playing these a few times during the finals, during the playoff run. You know what I mean? He brought these bad boys out. And here they are. Here they are. Now, one thing about these is when these initially released last week, the size 13.5 popped up. So I thought I was going to be able to get it. So I hit it. I said 13.5. Yes, my true size. I actually get my actual size. And I hit it and it said error in cart. I said, what? So I hit 13.5 again. It said error in carts. Damn it. I went back, size 13.5 is gone. So what just happened? It was right there. So I don't think they really meant to have a 13.5 on release day. I think that was an accident. But I tried. But I had to go with the 14. So let's go ahead and get into these. Take the shoe tree up out of there. Boom. and get into the shoes. Alright, on the lace tips, you have your purple lace tips there. Gold Nike swoosh on the toe box there. You turn it around, you see the LeBron James logo with the crown there. Go to the side, you have another gold swoosh. And if you get close, through all the blackness, you can see that purple going through there. It's a lot of purple dots in there, so you can get a hit of those Lakers colors. Alright, and on the tongue, going down the tongue, you have the Lion King here, kind of a reflective Lion King at the top. I hope you all be able to see that. You actually be able to see it better, for me at least. I can see it better from the back there, but maybe if I put my fingers behind it, you can see it a little better. There's a Lion King. There's the Lion King there at the front. Then it's Air here on the second one. It's Air, and then the LeBron signature is on the bottom. It's a little cloudy. It's a little cloudy in there, but that's what you see on each thing. The Lion King, Air, and then the LeBron signature. Alright, now going across here, nice Air unit going all the way around. Looks like it goes all the way around there. On the front it says Lifetime here, going across, Lifetime. What else am I seeing here? What else am I seeing? On the back, again, it says from the city of Akron, Ohio. There. Very nice touch, if you all can see that. From the city of Akron, Ohio, goes around there. There is something here on this purple on the side. I do not know what it is. It looks like a Nike swoosh, an F, an L, and the Z. I can only assume the Z is for his daughter, but I don't know that to be for sure. Let's get to the bottom. Great traction, it looks like. These will be good for actually hooping in. LeBron logo dead center, purple hits going around there. You can see the Air unit a little bit from the bottom there. Alright, now let's go ahead and pull out the right boy just to see if there's any differences. Right shoe second. Now the main thing I wanted to see is if there was anything. Okay, so on the front of the left it says Lifetime, and on the front of the right it says Chosen. Chosen Lifetime. Alright, and on the back here, as on the previous pair, the James Gang, established 1984. Alright, the year LeBron was born, established 1984, 5 months before I came into the picture. Let's get the right boy out of here. On the inside, you have the LeBron James in those Lakers colors. If you all can see that. Let me unlace these a little bit more so maybe we can get in there. There it is. Lakers colors on the inside. And can you see that now a little bit better? The Lion King on the back of the tongue. There it is. A little bit better. You can see that. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. On the back, see those pods there? You see these pods here? Help keep your foot in place. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. Alright. Let me actually look at the right again. Let's see if it says anything different. Nope. LeBron James, just like on the inside of these. So of course, you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here's what I'm rocking today before we get into these LeBrons. You know what I mean? A little Halloween flavor for y'all with these shattered backboard 3.0 things. Alright, now let's go ahead and get into these bronze. Alright, so here we are on feet. Alright, these Lake Show colorway. Alright, now there's something different about this pair of the LeBron 18s as opposed to the James Gang pair that I showed you previously. The tongue is the same. Looks weird at first, but it's the same. For, you know, size reference, my big toe was right there. I do have a little bit of room in these. Like I said, I think lengthwise a 13.5 would be perfect for me, but these will have to do. These will have to do, but I do have a little, just a little bit of room in these. But I don't think I can go down to a 13 in these. I don't think I can do that. That'd be a little too snug. But the lacing on this pair is different than what the lacing was on the James Gang. I don't know if it's just how they did it out the box or what, but something with the lacing is different on this pair, and not different in a good way, but it's like it made it a little bit more difficult. Maybe it's just my pair. I would check that if you decide to go ahead and get these. Something was different about the lacing in these. Might just be my pair though. But the feel on foot still feels good. Still feels good. Alright. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Definitely a nice pair of shoes. I would recommend you getting them. They're easily available. I've seen these on Foot Locker, Nike.com, anywhere that you can pick shoes up for the most part. These are available. So if you like these, you're a Lakers fan, you're a LeBron fan, you need something to rock with your Lakers colors, go ahead and pick these up, man. Very nice, very dope shoe, very comfortable. Only thing I would tell you is to check the laces. I think something was off with the way mine were laced up. I don't know. Maybe it's just my pair. Maybe I gotta, tweak it a little bit, pull them out. Maybe it's me. But just something felt different. It wasn't as easy to take these out the box and unlace them and put them on like the James Gang pair was. So might just be this pair. But anyway, that's gonna do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.